Hello, my name is Teresa from Learn to Love to Read and welcome to Summer Sounds. The letter we're going to be looking at today is this one, and the sound it makes is ah. Can you try it? Ah. Ah. Ah, ah, ah. Well done. And on this card, if I turn it over, you can see a picture of something that begins with the sound ah. It's an apple. You try it? Apple. Well done. Apple. Well done. Now I've got a couple more things here. Real things that begin with that sound, begin with the sound ah. So here is a real apple. You can see it's round and shiny. It has a stalk on the top. Very tasty, very crunchy when you bite it. It's an apple. You have a go? Well done. Apple. Very good. And I've got something else here that some of you may recognise. It's an atlas. An atlas. You have a go. Well done. One more go. Atlas. It's a book full of maps that shows you all sorts of exciting places you can travel to or learn about. An atlas. For every sound that we learn an action to help us remember it. And for the sound ah, the action is as if a little ant is walking along your arm, tickling your arm as it walks. Ah. You have a go? Ah. Well done. So today, wherever you go, whatever you're doing, see if you can look out for words that begin with the sound ah. You can do your action and you can chat about the things you found. Well done. See you soon. Bye.